we're one of the companies that does a cradle to grave type service on heat exchanger equipment. So we do everything. We engineer it, we build it, we project manage it, both in the shop and in the field. Complete life cycle on heat exchanger equipment.
The wide variety of projects we can take on, from weird bundles that we repair, look like alien space rockets, to these large ship-size units.
What we've done is we've expanded where we needed to expand. We've got the equipment necessary to do the business that we are in. We certainly watch for improvement in various aspects of our methodologies. We've got a super engineering team that stays current and abreast of all changes.
Well, I started on the floor actually. So my first day I started pushing tubes. And what astounded me was I had seen shell and heat exchangers on paper. I never really understood how much work goes into making a heat exchanger. It's from the guys from the boots on the ground, pushing the tubes, all the way up to engineering and beyond. There are a lot of man hours that go into every single vessel, regardless of size. It's pretty wild, actually. Yeah.
What hasn't changed is we have a lot of the same leadership that have been here in the field, in the office, and in the shop. So I think having that core group of people with the same core values has been an asset, and a lot of the new people that we've hired have also share some of those values. So it's been a really good combination of new people with some of the people that have been here for years.
You know, it's funny, you always kind of doubt yourself, and you never give yourself enough credit as a company. But I think it's time for us to give ourselves that credit. We have the best people working here. We have the best facility. You know, we're always investing in new technology and new ways of doing things. So it's time to give ourselves that credit to say, you know what, we are the best, and we want to continue to be the best, but we also want to continue to evolve and get better.